Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself, Umaira Firdoz, I am your social teacher from United Public School of Tandur. So in 9th class we have completed up to now 14th chapter we have revising. So today I am going to tell you 15th chapter. That is the 15th chapter name is Colonialism in Latin America, Asia and Africa. Okay. So this is the your 15 lesson. So I am giving you important question answers. Long question answers you have to by heart and without seeing you write in your notes and send it in group. So okay, let us be see in your guide. See Amma, this is the important questions, long question answers. So first question is, trade played a major role in the colonization. Do you agree? Why? Okay. So what you are saying question? Yes, I agree with this statement saying. So here trade play a major role in the colonization. Do you agree? Why this is here saying? Yes, I agree with this statement here saying. Reasons. Trade play an important role in colonization. Trading items include silk, porcelain, tea, etc. So here was saying trade played a very important in a colonization. Okay. So like trading nothing but like items ma. Okay. Like silk nothing but cotton. Okay. And porcelain, tea nothing but chai ki patti. Okay. From China, cotton textile, steel and spice from India, tin, petroleum, rubber, spice, etc. This all will come from Indonesia and natural resources from Africa. So trading from one place to India, from one place from Indonesia and what we will say here Africa, from their place to here they will come from one place to another place. Okay. The European had established trading centers with this in these countries. They demanded monopolistic trade relation for the benefit for the colonial power. Okay. So what you are saying, student? Trading items like silk, porcelain, tea, China, cotton, India, tin, petroleum, rubber, spice, etc. The European had established trading centers in these countries. How ma? They demanded monopolistic. The European what they established? Like trading centers in this country. So they demanded monopolistic trade relations from the benefits of the colonial power, etc. Okay. The European powers had bought these exotic goods and sold them in Europe and made high profits. Okay. What they did ma? The European powers had bought what these exotic goods ma? From where sold them in a Europe and made high profits. From where to where they demanded monopolistic trade relations from the benefits of the economic, etc. The first Dutch expedition, for example, fetched about 400% profit on its investment. Okay. As much of 20% of the Dutch government budget came from these profits. Okay. From where they came? As much of 25% of the Dutch government, they came from the Dutch government from the profits. Okay. 25%. How many percent ma? 25%. The English people nothing but like British members English who will talk in English. Okay. So the English people forced. They are belongs to English people, British people, America peoples. Okay. Indians to produce opium and sold that opium in China and gained heavy profits. Okay. Heavy profits. They gain more money. Thus trade played an important role in colonization. So this is about trade played a major role in a colonization. Do you agree? It is saying. Yes, I agree with this statement here saying. Some of the examples here you see. So this is the agree, reasons are there. So we have discussed. This is the important question for you student. So you have to write without saying in your by heart first, then write without saying in your notes and send it in group. So this is the first question and second question I will tell you now. So this is the second question. How did the lives of native people in different countries affect the colonization? Write two ideas, each context of crops, cultivated, religion, use of natural resources for the three continents. So what you are saying? How did the lives of native people world do ma? In different countries, native people nothing but who will live in America. Okay. So affect the colonization with two ideas, each in the context of crops cultivated. Okay. Cultivating religious, of use of natural resources for the three continents. So here see, most of the countries were self-sufficient before colonization. So they will do their own goods they will produce and they will be self-sufficient. These colonies were improvised during colonial power. What they will do? These colonies were improvised during colonial powers. Crops cultivated. They were cultivating food crops and the colonies in all three continents were forced. So they were cultivating what ma? Cultivating nothing but producing the goods in a agriculture. Okay, so food crops and colonies to cultivate a commercial crops. Okay, commercial cropping nothing but like kaju, badam, etc. So there were shortage of food items and famine droughts were frequently. So this is the crops cultivated. So next, religion. In Asia, peoples were Hindus, Muslims and Buddhists. In Indonesia, Muslims were massacred and forced to convert into Roman Catholicism. So in Asia what they are doing ma? People were Hindus like Muslims and Buddhists, everyone are there. So they are Indonesia Muslims. So they are massacred to forced to convert into the Roman Catholicism. Okay. In other continents also the Catholic Church played important role in the government of the colonies. Okay student. So use of natural resources. So religion, use of natural resources. All the natural resources like gold, diamonds, silvers, iron, coal, tin, rubber, silk, copper were plundered and taken into their countries. Colonial powers developed industry in their countries with these resources. So that's first one question, and this is the second one question. So this is your two long question answers, only two bad without seeing, and write in your notes and send it in group. So we will discuss more to tomorrow class. Okay, thank you so much for listening my class. Inshallah we will meet in the next class.